Everyone thinks the best-selling Glasspack Muffler is automatically the best one. But is that really true? If you look a little closer, the story is actually quite different. Product number 1, Cherry Bomb 80 7521 CB. First up is the Cherry Bomb 80 7521 CB Glasspack Muffler, priced at $39.69. What caught my eye is its solid construction and impressive 4.5-star rating from over 610 reviews. If you're after a performance boost and a vintage sound, this is worth a serious look. The 2.25-inch inlet and outlet sizes make it compatible with a variety of vehicles, ensuring you get that deep, throaty tone you're looking for. At just 1 pound, it's lightweight but durable, perfect for enhancing your car's performance without weighing it down. Here's why this matters for you specifically. A better exhaust flow leads to improved horsepower and torque, which is what you want for that extra kick in your ride. Now, some people complained about how loud it can be, especially if you're looking for something subtle. Here's the thing though, if you're going for a Glasspack, you're probably not after a whisper-quiet ride anyway. It's all about that classic rumble. This is perfect for you if you want a powerful sound on a budget. Skip this one if you're looking for something more refined and quiet. Alright, if the Cherry Bomb's loudness gave you pause, the next one might be more your style. Product number 2, Thrush Glasspack Deep Performance Tone. Next up is the Thrush Glasspack Deep Performance Tone, which comes in at $34.99. What really grabbed my attention is its stellar 4.6-star rating from 1,500 reviews, indicating a lot of happy customers. If you're into muscle cars or classic trucks, this one deserves your attention. This muffler features a 2.5-inch inlet and outlet and is designed for maximum flow and power. The straight-through design reduces back pressure, while the continuous roving fiberglass technology absorbs unwanted interior noise. This means you get that vintage sound without the annoying drone inside your vehicle. Plus, the heavy-gauge steel construction ensures it stands the test of time. Here's why this matters for you. A powerful tone means you can really feel the performance on the road. Now, I did see some reviews that mentioned it might require some customization to fit certain vehicles. But honestly, for the quality and sound, a little bit of tweaking is often worth the effort. This is perfect for you if you want a loud, aggressive exhaust note without breaking the bank. Skip this one if you need a plug-and-play option without any modifications. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better if you want a classic sound without too much hassle. Product number 3, Cherry Bomb 80 7510 CB. The Cherry Bomb 80 7510 CB is up next, priced at $44.01. It also boasts a 4.5-star rating from 422 reviews, so you know it's a trusted choice. If you're looking for a straightforward Glasspack for your car, this could be a great pick. The lightweight design, weighing in at just 6.5 pounds, helps improve performance by reducing drag. With its focus on maintaining a clean sound while offering a boost in exhaust flow, this is a solid choice for anyone wanting that deep rumble without excessive noise. Here's why this matters for you. It strikes a great balance between sound and performance. However, some users pointed out that it can rust over time if not properly maintained. But here's the thing, if you're diligent about rust prevention, you'll likely get years of service out of it. This is perfect for you if you want reliability without excessive noise. Skip this one if you're in a wet climate where rust is a major concern. Now, if the Cherry Bomb's rust potential worries you, this next option offers a more durable solution. Product number 4, Thrush Glasspack Deep Performance Tone 2 Pipe. Coming in at $29.99 is the Thrush Glasspack Deep Performance Tone for 2-inch pipe connections. This one has a solid 4.5-star rating from 592 reviews, which is impressive. If you have a truck or muscle car and want something affordable, keep listening. The heavy-gauge steel shell ensures durability, and its powder-coated finish adds extra protection. Here's why this matters for you. It not only sounds great but lasts longer, which is a huge win. Some folks did mention that it might not fit all vehicles without some adjustments. But honestly, if you're handy or willing to make a couple of tweaks, it's a small price to pay for a great tone and performance. This is perfect for you if you want an affordable, powerful option. Skip this one if you prefer a no-fuss installation out of the box. Alright, that was a great value pick. But the last one on our list takes it up a notch for those who want something even more refined. Product number 5. Thrush Glasspack Deep Performance Tone 2.25 Pipe. Finally, we have the Thrush Glasspack Deep Performance Tone for 2.25-inch pipe connections, priced at $34.49. With a 4.6-star rating from over 652 reviews, it's clear that this option has a lot of fans. If you want that classic sound but with a bit more power, this is worth checking out. The straight-through design ensures maximum flow, while the continuous roving fiberglass technology keeps unwanted noise at bay. This setup gives you a performance boost without driving you crazy inside the cabin. Here's why this matters for you. It's engineered to give you the sound you want while also enhancing your vehicle's efficiency. Some users found the installation a bit tricky, especially if you're not familiar with exhaust systems. But I'll be real with you, if you're willing to invest a little time and effort, the payoff in sound and performance is totally worth it. This is perfect for you if you want a powerful, classic tone and don't mind a bit of work. Skip this one if you're looking for a straightforward installation without any modifications. Now that we've covered all the options, it's clear there's something for everyone here. So to wrap it up, we've looked at 5 fantastic Glasspack mufflers. Cherry Bomb 87,521 CB for budget-friendly performance, Thrush's options for a powerful vintage sound, and Cherry Bomb 87,510 CB for reliability. Each has its strengths and weaknesses, but at the end of the day, it really depends on what you're after. Whether you want performance, sound, or ease of installation, there's definitely a choice here for you.